Hello, this is Pranay Sai. Let us understand a simple and interesting topic, the nouns. Basically, there are two types of nouns, a singular noun and a plural noun. Singular nouns are used when a statement refers to a single thing or one thing, and a plural noun is used when a statement refers to more than one thing. And these play a vital role when you speak. Let us choose the appropriate nouns to be filled in the blanks. Here we go. Many child or children spend a lot of time in front of TV. Here many refers to more than one, isn't it? So we have to pick the plural form among these two. Here children is the plural form. So the right answer is children. In the next statement, some may spend 5 or more hours a day watching TV. 5 or more indicates more than one, so plural noun among the two options. So hours is a plural noun. So the answer is hours. I believe that a child or children who spends less time in front of the TV will grow up to become a more intelligent and creative adult or adults. I hope filling these two blanks is pretty easy for you because a indicates singular, so child is the right option. And in the same way, this entire statement refers to a child. So the last blank is also filled with a singular noun, the adult. Hope you have understood this concept. As I said earlier, nouns play a predominant role while speaking. This topic just needs some practice and make sure you do it. All the best.